We have here a bolt which is like welded the inside, not that one, in the inside. That bolt is like welded into the wishbone. That's why the easiest way here is to cut it using that reciprocating saw. It's because the place doesn't allow different saw to use here, and for that because the bolt is very hard, very thick, you have to use extra hard blade. You have to find the right blade for that. So thank you very much. Thank you for visiting our channel Cars Fix Out. Thank you.